Hi everyone, this is Bob Plants, and today I'm showing you a quick time-lapse video of me using Procreate in order to make these to-do list digital stickers. You can use these digital stickers on your digital planner, journal, notebook, or any file you have on your Goodnotes. If you're interested in using these stickers, I have left a free direct download link below where you can get the Goodnotes file. This file you can directly upload into your Goodnotes and it'll be ready for use. If you are unfamiliar with how to use digital stickers on Goodnotes, I have recently made a video on how to do this, and I'll be leaving the link in the description below as well. If you like the stickers that I made or you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up and thank you for watching.